Hey, what's going on guys? Coltrane from Agentic here, and in this video, I'm going to be walking through a demonstration that I had planned to show at the UGLYT ALK panel event on AI automation to scale small teams. However, we were having such a great discussion with the panel, and then we wanted to save time for networking, so we didn't have enough time to get to this demonstration, but I'll be showing you right now exactly how you can use this automation to scrape leads of individuals and then output them in ElevenLabs and actually interface with the knowledge base and ask it questions in real time. Now for this use case, what we did was we had planned to take the first last name of the attendees RSVPing for our event along with their company, search them on Google here, find out their LinkedIn profile, and then from there scrape that LinkedIn profile, create a concise overview of what they're working on and their profession, put that into a Google Doc for the knowledge base, and then export that over into ElevenLabs and be able to interface that, ask it questions about the attendees, and see who should network with who. In this case, here we have a lot of our attendees that RSVP'd. I'm just gonna do 50 because doing more would take quite a bit of time. This automation is a bit time consuming, but let's let it run. And in the meantime, I'll walk you through each of the steps and show you exactly what's going on and what our dream outcome will be. So what we have here is the sheet that all of the information is populating in. As you can see, I've run this automation before. I was planning on doing this demonstration a bit earlier following the event, but I've been under the weather a bit and I just figured now I'm kind of coming out the other side of that, so what better time than now. All right, now what is happening in this automation is that the first and last names are being taken along with the company that is being searched in Google. That's the step that's going on here. So here we have Adir at Autonomy AI, and what we're able to look up is his name as well as his company name. And from there, we can parse out his LinkedIn profile. So here are the organic results that we're seeing there. There is this, most likely his main LinkedIn profile. And then there's some others that could pop up and potentially be LinkedIn. That's why we have an array aggregator here, which aggregates all of the potential search results into one variable, which can be inserted into Claude. Now over here, we have Claude trying to parse out what the actual LinkedIn profile is. It's able to do this pretty accurately with Claude Haiku. It only uses 300 tokens too, so that's pretty efficient there. And then from there, we have another Amplify actor, which is able to look at that LinkedIn profile that we submit. And then from there, these are the results. You always need another module to pull out the results afterwards. And you can see this individual's headline. So it's a stealth AI startup, but in the summary, it says he's on a mission to remove any technology barrier from companies' growth with cutting-edge artificial intelligence solutions. He's been in sales, marketing, business development. He's founded 2 successful startups. There's also more information about his education. Oh, he has a law degree, certifications, honors, languages, skills, speaks English and Hebrew. So very cool. And this is being done for every attendee. Oh, what is happening here? Okay, so the issue right now is that Claude is being accessed too much from other servers. This just happens generally, which is why you need to set a revolving time window for your automations in case you do have these errors that occur. Now, in this case, I'm just going to end the recording right now and run through at a later time, just because this does happen. And sometimes it's better to set up redundant automation so that this doesn't stop an important workflow, but it is something to keep in mind that this does occur every once in a while. And we're back. Here we have the information of many of the attendees that showed up to the event. Now what we're gonna do is download this as a, as a docs. That is the easiest way to parse knowledge bases. If you were to use something like a PDF, it's not really in the same markdown format, so it would be harder to parse. So usually docs or plain text is the best way to go about that. And now for the really interesting part, I put together this chatbot with ElevenLabs. It's hooked up to Gemini Flash. And what it's able to do is take in a knowledge base. So I can add the file that we just downloaded here on our UGLYT ALK attendees, add that in there. And what we're able to do is ask it questions in real time. Now, this is a really cool application of ElevenLabs because it can be used in so many ways. So for instance, if you're wanting to use customer support chatbots for your company, you can have people call in and actually speak with these chatbots, and they could escalate concerns that are more relevant to actual customer service people, but also have a knowledge base that they're able to pull from and help people with right off the bat. There's other applications like tutors and anything really that you would use a voice interface with AI. And I believe that ElevenLabs is by far on the forefront currently.
Hi, I'm Delphi. I know our audience here inside and out. How can I help you today?
Hey Delphi, I was hoping you could give me a quick overview of our audience, how many people are in it, and how many are founders to start.
Of course, based on the attendee profiles, we have a total of 52 attendees. Out of those, 21 are business owners or startup founders.
Amazing. Are there any other commonalities or statistics you can draw between them?
Sure, a large portion of our attendees, 27 to be exact, are interested in networking with other business owners. Additionally, 22 attendees are interested in learning more about AI in general.
Amazing. And are there any 3 attendees that you'd like to spotlight who are doing really exceptional, diverse types of work?
I'd like to highlight 3 attendees who represent diverse and exceptional work. 1. Aljona Chernievskaya is a Director of Growth Marketing at Jobcase, specializing in multi-channel performance marketing and international market expansion. She brings expertise in user acquisition, paid advertising, and mobile app growth, demonstrating a strong understanding of digital marketing strategies. 2. Ariel Laura Matayer is the CEO and founder of the Luminous Lab, a global consultancy focused on women's economic empowerment and brand development. She is an award-winning global speaker specializing in resilience and confidence, showcasing her expertise in personal branding and leadership development. 3. Mohit Manohar is a founding software engineer specializing in AI, ML, and full-stack development with expertise in generative AI and LLMs.
Perfect. Very cool. So are there any 2 attendees that should really network because they're working on complementary business things?
2 attendees who should definitely network are 1. Adir Ben Yehuda, the CEO of Autonomy AI, a stealth mode AI startup focused on removing technological barriers to company growth. 2. Coltrane Kubo, the co-founder of Agentic, a marketing automation company that helps small and medium-sized businesses implement AI solutions for operational efficiency. Adir's company focuses on AI solutions for business growth, while Coltrane's company helps businesses implement AI for operational efficiency. Their combined expertise could lead to valuable partnerships and collaborations.
Terrific. Okay, final question. So based on all of the attendees and their profiles, do you have a message for everyone here about AI automation to scale small teams that would not only give them something valuable, but also inspire them into the new age of AI?
Here's a message that could resonate with our attendees. We're at the cusp of a new era, where AI automation isn't just a tool, it's a strategic partner for scaling small teams. Imagine a world where repetitive tasks are handled by intelligent systems, freeing you to focus on innovation, creativity, and building meaningful relationships. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to empower you. It's time to embrace the possibilities, to leverage AI's power to amplify your team's potential and to unlock a future where small teams can achieve extraordinary things.
Amazing. Well, there you have it. Delphi said it better than I could. AI can really be a tool to become your competitive edge. So if you are interested in implementing some of these AI solutions in your own company, or you just want to chat about what's possible with AI, make sure to reach out to us at Agentic. Thanks so much for watching this demo. I know it's a little bit rocky with the usage things, but that's a part of automation too, and that's something that's important to troubleshoot around. So again, if you want to implement some of these systems, make sure to reach out to me. And until next time, have a great day.